we are here as the Fatorda Block Committee to raise the issue of this mobile towers which are erected in the constituency of Fatorda. There have been consistent objections raised by various citizens of Fatorda, but most of it has fallen on deaf ears. Indeed, it is shocking that without public hearing, that such unilateral decisions have been taken. It is a silent nod given by whom we as citizens of Fatorda are unaware. We had raised this objection, we had raised our voices, and we had also met the then chief officer and also the chairperson, and we wanted answers from it. But till now, everything was on a war footing, that everything went silent.
Exactly where 11 towers have been installed. If you, for those who are familiar with Fatorda, you know the Saint Joki Road, which starts from Holy Spirit till this is Bolse Circle. That over there is Allen Junction, and the one at the top, the one right on top is the one next to Bull. We have put a memorandum to the municipality asking them not to regularize these towers. They cannot regularize it. And regularizing it would amount to corruption. And second is to remove these towers. And if at all they have to be erected, it should be under in line with the guidelines given to them. So our demands are simple and they have to be met. We give 7 days time, following which we will take all necessary action under the law, including protesting outside the municipality and other towers to raise awareness about the harms that it will cause.